What's up, ROQ Nation? Buck Primo here with your ROQ US tech team. Today I'm going to go over the ROQ Impress. This is the P8 4-heat press model, and all of the automation that we have on this. Single operator, depending on the fixation time, whatever the longest part of the process is, but we know this thing can hit over 500 pieces an hour. I'm gonna walk around the machine and explain exactly what we got going on, so let's check it out. All right, so after loading the garment, it's gonna come over to my first heat press. This is my pre-press, removing any moisture from the garment, flattening fibers, flattening wrinkles, get you a nice base. We're still keeping our pallets hot by using this press. Make sure that we have a good peel. Next, we have the ROQ FEED Plus. This is the feed, but we've increased the amount of suctions. Here we have 7 suctions. We can move these however we need to configure it to pick up that transfer. My tray on the ROQ FEED Plus is capable of going down to 2.5 by 2.5 inches, so a very small transfer. A lot of versatility in the size of transfer that you can place in the ROQ FEED Plus. After we place the transfer, I have 2 heat presses that are applying the transfer, dividing that time that it takes to apply it in half. That's how we're able to hit those high production numbers. So say it's 14 seconds, I'm doing 7 and 7. It's all based on the transfer that you're using. What is the required time? Some could be 10 seconds, so then I'm dividing 5 and 5, again, hitting those high production numbers. Here it's just gonna come over, peel the transfer sheet off, throw it in the waste bin. After the peel, I have a post press. Post press is important for wash fastness as well as hand feel. After the post press, I come over to my automatic unloader. This is the ROQ PULL Plus. It's removing the garment and setting it on a delivery platform. I can dictate how many I want it to stack, so 3, 6, 12, whatever it is. Once it hits that set value, it's gonna rotate over, and then a second set of fingers are gonna take it and put it on my conveyor belt, as you can see here. All right, so that's the entire process with the ROQ Impress with all automation, single operator, capable of hitting over 500 pieces an hour, depending on your fixation time. This is a machine, it is a beast. If you'd like to learn more information, please contact us at roq.us, any of our social medias. Until then, rock on.